Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using only official channels. Open Pubg settings and look for any display or privacy toggle that controls overlays. Make sure the app is fully updated from the Play Store or App Store. Outdated clients sometimes show promotional overlays. Once you've backed up or linked your account to email or a platform like Facebook, proceed to clear cache or use the in-game reporting tool. These steps preserve your progress and keep you within the game's terms while addressing visible QR marks. Next, you perform the middle, slightly more detailed actions. Clear the app cache and, if safe, clear data only after you've linked your account. This forces the game to reload official assets. Then open the Help or Customer Service section and submit a ticket. Include your account ID, screenshots showing the QR, device model, and OS. Explain when it appeared and which region or event triggered it. This helps support identify whether it's a temporary promotion or a device-specific display issue. Finally, you finish by following support advice. If they confirm the QR is not a deliberate server-side feature, reinstall the official app from the store and log back in. If the QR remains, test your account on a different device to rule out device-specific overlays. Make sure to document everything and escalate within customer service if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if game support asks for logs, provide them. Otherwise, avoid third-party patches or mods, because those breach terms and risk bans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.